The International Space Station, ISS, has been a hub of scientific exploration and maintenance, but a government shutdown has kept most updates under wraps. However, a Japanese astronaut's captivating social media posts have broken the silence, offering a glimpse into the wonders of space. A breathtaking view from the Kibo window. Kimiya Yui, a flight engineer on Expedition 73, shared a breathtaking photo on his social media, exclaiming, "One of the top 5 stunning views, right?" The image showcases the Milky Way galaxy above Earth's horizon, with the ISS's solar arrays and the Kibo facility in the foreground. But here's where it gets fascinating. One photo displays vibrant green and red auroras dancing in the sky, while the other captures a serene, darker night sky. Yui's enthusiasm is palpable as he explains, "I wanted everyone to see this special view, so I made time to capture it." His post offers a unique perspective, as the ISS's orientation provided a different view from the iconic Kibo window. Preparing for a historic arrival, this week, Yui has been eagerly awaiting the arrival of Japan's next-generation HTV-X cargo vehicle, scheduled for liftoff on October 20th. In a heartwarming message, he reassures the spacecraft. "I'll catch you gently." Yui will use the Canadarm2 robotic arm to grasp the HTV-X1 once it's within reach. Aboard the ISS, as of October 17th, the ISS is home to a diverse crew of 7 flight engineers from various space agencies. The team includes Sergei Ryzhikov, Alexei Zabritsky, Oleg Platonov, Johnny Kim, Zena Cardman, Mike Finke, and Kimiya Yui. 2 cruise spacecraft, SpaceX's Dragon Endeavour and Roscosmos Soyuz MS-27, are docked, along with 4 cargo spacecraft from Roscosmos, SpaceX, and Northrop Grumman. The space station has been continuously inhabited for almost 25 years, a testament to human resilience and the spirit of exploration. And now, a fun fact about the author of this article, Robert Pearlman. Pearlman is a renowned space historian and journalist, honored with multiple awards for his contributions to the field. But here's where it gets controversial. Some believe his work has influenced pop culture's portrayal of space exploration. What do you think? Is there a connection between Pearlman's writing and the way space is depicted in popular media? Share your thoughts in the comments below.